In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LucidSpark and Chart. Lucid offers two companion tools inside the same workspace: LucidSpark, a collaborative whiteboard for brainstorming, and LucidChart, a structured diagramming tool for flowcharts, org charts, and more. Both live at lucid.app, and the path to start either one is nearly identical. Today, we'll walk through creating a LucidChart document from the home dashboard and getting comfortable with editing it. After you log in and land on the Lucid app homepage, you'll see your recent files and a clear button to start something new. Click the plus new button to open your creation options. From there, choose LucidChart. This tells the app you want a diagram rather than a freeform whiteboard. If you're planning a brainstorming session later, remember that LucidSpark is available in this same menu, but for now, we'll stick with LucidChart. LucidChart gives you two starting points. Begin with a blank canvas or use a template. A blank file is perfect when you already know your structure and want full control from the start. Templates are faster if you want a professional layout immediately, with shapes and connectors already placed. To move quickly, we'll choose a template. In the template gallery, you'll find many options organized by use case. Since we're focusing on a common diagram type, select a flowchart template. This provides a ready-made set of steps and connectors so you can concentrate on your process rather than placing every shape from scratch. When you select the flowchart template, LucidChart opens it in a new browser tab, keeping your original dashboard available. Now you're ready to edit. On the canvas, click any shape to select it and double-click to edit the text. Drag shapes to rearrange the sequence, and use the connector points on the edges to adjust lines so your flow reads clearly from start to finish. The left panel houses additional shapes you can drag onto the canvas if you need more steps or decision points. The top toolbar lets you change colors, line styles, fonts, and alignment for a clean, readable result. If you make a mistake, use undo and remember that your work saves automatically as you go so you won't lose progress. Zoom in for detail work and zoom out to confirm the overall flow still makes sense. That's the basic path. Homepage plus new, LucidChart, choose a blank file or a template, pick a flowchart, and edit it to fit your needs. Once you're comfortable with that flow, you'll find switching to LucidSpark for brainstorming feels familiar, with the same straightforward start from Lucid app.